Hey guys, Autumn here. Thanks for coming to hang out and watch our full video on the opening day of Galaxy's Edge. Enjoy the show!
Guests traveling to Black Spire Outpost for the enjoyment and safety of our guests, and so that as many guests as possible can experience fatigue, our cast will begin to guide you further into the park for your adventure in a galaxy far, far away. Thank you, and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
It's hard to tell from this shot, but the crowd was massive. There were thousands of people, and we were the first group to get in. Were you able to check out Galaxy's Edge on opening day? Let us know what you thought down in the comments. The feeling of finally being able to see this amazing world that Disney has built was coming true. I love Star Wars and the stories that George Lucas has created, and now Disney has made my dreams come true and the dreams of my kids. My son didn't learn animal sounds first, he learned the sounds of the Force. I definitely need to find that video. My husband is such a dork, but the stormtroopers were actually really cool. This was one of Kylie's favorite parts. She has been waiting all week to see them. And did you know that the characters actually just walk around? Move along. I love that there were Disney cast members standing around welcoming us into the park. Rising suns. They were finally able to use their months of training learning about the Star Wars universe to give everyone a magical moment. Keep watching and you can see one that Kylie was able to have. We were getting excited the deeper and deeper we went into the park. They actually separated us into two groups, and we were the first group that was able to get on Smuggler's Run. The detail that they have put into everything is phenomenal. The line for the ride was crazy. I think we waited like an hour and a half to get on it, but the people behind us waited almost 5 hours. Here comes Kylie's magic moment.
Are they from your planet? Yeah? What planet are you from? Pokemon planet?
No,
Oh, no?
I don't know, but I also come from this one.
You don't know what planet you're from?
No, I also come from this one.
You come from Batu?
Yes,
What part?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't pay attention.
You don't pay attention?
No.
Someone had to tell you where you're from?
Someone would.
See, I'm from Gulma. It's a very remote place, like very far away from Black Spire Outpost. There's like, they build droids over there. I have a droid of my own. Yeah?
I want to make a BB unit.
You want to make a BB unit? Wow, I like BB units too.
I like the BBs.
I like how they roll around.
Yeah, I like
They're
how I
fun.
choose the BBs there.
Yeah,
The BBs are actually better.
cool. Well, have fun. Good luck out there.
Here's what my husband and I have been waiting for: the Millennium Falcon. It's like our childhood dreams have come true, and they just dropped this massive, beautiful ship in front of our very own eyes. I'm going to go ahead and just let you enjoy this moment.
This is Pelon Gadani relaying the latest news, music, and other broadcasts from Batu and the Outer Rim. If you're new to BSL, remember, you've got nothing but your reputation here. The Spire always remembers. Now, let's send it over to our friend DJ Rex at Olga's Cantina.
Hi there. This is your DJ.
This is where you get to wait in line for Smuggler's Run. It was really cool to see all the detail they put in right before you were able to get on this ride. You're in the Millennium Falcon.
Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there.
I am going to tell you that we went back to the hotel, which we stayed at Swan and Dolphin, and took a nap before we came back out for lunch. Each of us ordered a drink. The kids got these cute little Powerade ones, and then of course we got a blue milk, which came with a really delicious sugar cookie.
That song always gets my visor popping.
I love a good
This
silly
next
little
song is
pun.
from Fibber and Dan and the Modal Nuts Classic Concert, live from Coruscant.
It was so hot. At least the kids were able to cool off.
Check on the QR code.
Do you know what this area is going to be?
This
drink?
Yeah.
Can we see what it looks like? What flavor is it?
I don't know.
You don't know what flavor that is? We definitely need to ask easier questions. Is it a Sprite?
Yeah.
If you're enjoying our video so far, just go ahead and press that like button for us. Look, it's Ray. It's so cool that the characters literally just walk around. Kylie really wanted to show her the lightsaber and that she was a Jedi, but she gets super nervous and then chickens out. What do you think of the land so far?
It's really cool.
You like it? What's your favorite part so far?
The ride.
What ride?
The Millennium Falcon ride.
Have you got to see any characters?
Ray and Chewbacca and a lot of stormtroopers.
Where's Ray at?
Right there. Chewbacca is probably over there fixing the ship. And the stormtroopers are over there somewhere, not knowing where the base is.
They had this awesome little marketplace area. It sold those cool little Coke bottles, and it had some popcorn, which I'm gonna be honest, I don't recommend. It was not good. It had a good flavor, but it was really soft. And this is how they actually cook the chicken that you're gonna eat for lunch. Just kidding. My husband went to the antique store. One of my friends really wanted 2 lightsabers, so he went in to see if he could purchase them and was actually able to. But the detail that they put into the store was really, really cool. I wasn't able to go in, but my husband took a lot of footage and a lot of pictures of it. I'm actually kind of jealous. See, I told you they'd be walking around. Well, that was the end of our day. It was a long day, and I don't think the kids ever got up that early before, but it was well worth it. We also may have took a little trip to Animal Kingdom. I had to have the Simba magnet.